So what's going on, guys? Do you want to make your Minecraft with more realistic graphics? That's why shaders are created for. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to download them and how to add them to your Minecraft. Just watch this video all the way to the end, and yeah, let's don't waste a lot of time. Let's move on point how to download them. So first, search in Google Chrome for some shaders like this. Shaders, yeah, 1.16.4. Let's click on the first link, and let's say we wanna download this. No, check a pic this beyond loading, and let's say we wanna download the newest version, 1.16.4. Click here on this button here, wait till it's loading, and yeah, we are ready. Now it's here. But how to add this shader to our Minecraft? So open the Windows searcher and here type %app-data% and open it. Open the first folder. Is actually, I think, is usually .minecraft if you have Minecraft, of course. And here, from here, you if you don't have this folder shader pack, just create one and name it the same as the shader pack. But as you can see, I've already have it, so just open it, and from here, as you can see, I have 5 shaders. So just drag this shader that you've recently downloaded, just drag it and put it here in this folder, shader packs. So now, to prove you that it's working, just wanna open to rendering the game, play, and yeah. And you will see there's a big difference between Minecraft without shaders and Minecraft with shaders. It's loading now. And how to actually to enable the shader, just click on option, click on video settings. And I forgot to tell you this one important thing: if you don't have an Optifine, just download it, because you can't put I repeat, you can't put any shaders if you don't have Optifine. If you don't know how to download Optifine on your Minecraft, just check in our channel and you will see there's a lot of videos that, and one of them we are showing how to download Optifine on your Minecraft. So click on shaders, and now click on our shader. Here's Beyond Belief Legacy. Done. Let's play in some of my servers here. Let's say this one. I know what I'm doing. It's loading. And wow, as you can see, there's a big difference between the default Minecraft, and as you can see, the water is more realistic, and actually below the water is not so realistic, but yeah, as you can see, that's enough, and this shader can make your Minecraft more realistic. Shadows, good quality of the water, I mean, yeah, and also the sun are so good. Just want to show you that's actually from the shader, it's not some hack or something, virus, I don't know. As you can see, there's a big difference between the default Minecraft and Minecraft with shaders. And yeah, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems with the shader packs, I mean, just you can comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next one. Bye.